Welcome to the Explainer. So let's unlock the insider secrets to landing your lease at Eugenie Terrace.
You found your dream Lincoln Park spot, but hey, are you actually ready to sign? Before locking in that North Clark Street address, we've got to gather some crucial intel. Here's your pre-signing mission. Check the rent, verify the pets, and definitely secure that parking. First up, your wallet. You absolutely need to ask about grace periods, payment methods, and late fees. Luckily, Chicago law has your back. Landlords literally have to provide written fee disclosures before signing. Prepare that budget because Chicago's security deposits usually demand 1 to 2 full months' rent upfront. Plus, Illinois law requires these deposits sit in federally insured interest-bearing accounts, paying you annual interest. Start the clock. Your landlord must give you a written receipt for that deposit within 14 days. Got a furry friend? Always double-check breed limits, weight restrictions, and any hidden monthly pet rent. You gotta ask, is that pet charge just a non-refundable fee or a fully refundable deposit? And don't forget your car. Ask if parking is billed separately and about covered garage spots. Okay, costs are covered. Now let's talk practical, day-to-day living and maintaining that luxury apartment. For maintenance issues, submit your requests in writing, track the response times, and document absolutely everything. Secure those perks. Ask for the written rules on accessing the rooftop pool, fitness center, and sky lounge. Looking ahead to move out, clarify notice periods so you aren't stuck paying crazy early termination fees. Always remember, Chicago's residential landlord and tenant ordinance is your ultimate shield for specific renter protections. To consolidate this mission, bring a solid lease review checklist to track every single data point. Never go in blind. Just ask for a sample lease to review before your actual consultation. Luxury is super enticing, but leases are legally binding. So are you truly prepared to sign?